Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to set notification sound on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting, then from here you have to scroll down like this, and here you have to move on this sound and vibration. Just click on it. After having click on it, here you have to click on this notifications. Okay, just click on notifications, and this is the online notification sounds. If you want to set, then don't click here. Okay, you just click on top nature. So if you want to set online notification sounds, you can select from here, and on the side you are going to find this bell option. Just click on bell icon, and here click on notifications or text. Okay, you can select this one. For notifications you want to set the sounds or for the message. Okay, so you just select from here and set it more. Then click on back button, and here just move on profile if you want to set offline notification sound. Okay, here move on ringtones, then here you can see system ringtones, many notification sounds is here, offline sounds. Okay, so if you want to set offline notification sound, just click on apply, and it will be set successfully on your mobile phone. And if it's came okay, then click on okay more. And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.